Okay, here's a look at the market in the emini S&P for Thursday, October the 21st, 2010. At emini Day Trader, we like to use the market profiles to gauge the sentiment of the market, especially on a day-to-day basis, not so much within the current day, but certainly on a day-to-day basis. And we really had a day here that held the support very nicely in the overnight session. Remember, we had mentioned the 70 to 72 area in around here as likely support. And you can see, by the way, this is what occurred overnight, and you can see it hit down on 72 right on. It came down to our next support at 67. If you recall, we've been using that previously, and found some good support and had a good bounce. So, and then this was the other support right here. So the market is still in an up auction, although today it really consolidated after making new highs for the week. So we're really looking still in around this area as likely support, and the resistance, as we're looking at it right now, is probably up in around 81 or 82 area. So the market could stay contained fairly tight tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday, and there's no news to be released. So the market very well could stay contained within that range right there. Although we still have the upward bias and would like to be a buyer in around 72. If it holds below 67, though, once again, we would stand aside on any longs and look to see if the market can move lower from that point. So we also use, of course, the market profiles from the regular trading session. You can see them here. And our trades, you can see them. They're actually identified with these arrows. So there's a short here. I'll just mark in the shorts. Short there, short here, and we had 3 shorts here. On the long side, we had a long trade here, a couple of them here, one here. I'm sorry, I missed a short trade that was right in there. And we had the other long trade here. So this trade was not taken. It was into a resistance area. So our first trade was actually here, which did move up nicely. So we had a small profit on that. This particular trade here was one of those in-between trades. Even though we were still in a green filter, it had rejected the higher prices and came below a barrier. So some of our traders would have taken this, but from more of a mechanical standpoint, it would not have been taken. So this ended up by being, I'm sorry, I missed a trade here. We did have this particular trade here was filled not till over here. It did have a 1-point bounce, so we ended up with a break even on that third trade. So this trade was not taken. It would have been the fourth. This trade was taken. It was also a break even. This trade was not taken in the neutral filter. And so this was not taken. We did have a short trade here triggered in here. Now it was against our structure in that regard, but it was triggered from an earlier setup. So it was a questionable trade from that standpoint. Mechanically it would have been taken. Unfortunately just nicked there before it had the really good down move. These trades here were all triggered later and were not taken. And then we ended up with this long trade over here in the green filter. Was actually entered right here. So as it turned out, depending on which trades a trader actually took, if they were using our tools as opposed to only using our trade setups and triggers, that actually turned out to be a pretty good day, especially catching this 81.50 short from here that I did make a video of because I did take that trade. So it's included here. The link is included. So that's really it, and the way that we're looking at the market for tomorrow. Don't really expect to see a whole heck of a lot tomorrow done. And so still with an upward bias, but not a strong one, that's for sure. Preference is to get long in around 1170 if possible. If it dips to 67, that would be okay to get long too, but beyond that, or below that I should say, really want to probably stand aside. If the market can rally up and get up above about 7, or let's say 80, 81, 82, it'd be very bullish, and we'd look for further up movement if it can do that. So that's really our look at the market for today, Thursday, October 21st. Any questions or comments, don't hesitate in getting a hold of us at info@eminidaytrader.com. I always like to hear your comments and questions. So that'll be it for the day, for today. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you again tomorrow.